Excellent. Very good. So let's go ahead and talk about home inspections because I have a question for you. In real estate, there is a time period for buyers to do inspections, right? And so, but those inspections shouldn't be just for when they're purchasing a home. That's something that could probably be done throughout the life of a roof. So my question to you would be, what is the value of a roof inspection and what will that report tell me?
So two points to that, or two great points that you make, Miriam. Typically, we get calls from people that are buying a home. Most typically, the home inspector has put a question mark on his report that something needs to be looked at by a roofing professional, and so we might get called out in that situation when there's a transactional process going on with a home. Most home inspectors won't get up on a roof, and they just kind of give a superficial look. Something doesn't look right. So really, with a roof, you need to have a roofing professional look at it. We don't recommend that homeowners get up on their roof. It's dangerous. But if you have a roofing professional look at your roof and give you a summary of basic elements of your roof that you might want to look at, and those basic elements will be, how long will my roof last? What's the cost to re-roof my roof at that point when I need to put a new roof on it? And what kind of repairs can I do to get me without worry out to that point? So you may be in a situation where your roof has 10 or 12 years of useful life in it or longer, but you might have some minor details that need to be adjusted or taken care of right now, like flashing details and things that might need to be taken care of today. And in the case with our tune-up process, we would do those repairs for you and provide you with a 5-year warranty on the entire roof, not just the area of the repair, but the entire roof. And if I could go back to the beginning, when we first started thinking about this concept, I actually pulled my dad out of retirement and we brainstormed together. And we literally went door to door in random neighborhoods asking people, what is your biggest concern with your roof? And we tailored our program around people's biggest concerns. Most of them we gave a Starbucks card to or something to get them to talk to us. And we told them, we're not trying to sell you anything. We're trying to understand. And we tailored our program around their resistance to hiring a contractor. And so your first worry when you hire a contractor is he wants to sell me up. And so our motto is don't buy a new roof and if you don't have to. And so if you can get the repair done now, extend the life of your roof, that's great. The other thing you need to know today is how long will my roof last and how much money do I need to start saving in order to take care of that at some point in the future when that comes about.